her name?
Baby.
She can go in the water, I think.
Are her fingers smashed or?
I think so.
We have to reconnect them.
She can go in the water. All chickens can go in the water. I see that she
I
can.
don't know if she's in the
I can't go in the water.
I'll go.
You know the bath, Mom? It's for water.
It's for water? Is it a bath toy?
Yes, bath toy.
Wow.
We never got a baby bath toy.
No, I've never had one before.
You have one then. I'm about getting one for Dad.
What?
I'm thinking about getting one for Dad.
Really?
Oh, wow.
That's a good
That's
idea.
a really good one.
What is that, Jeff? Is that a helmet? Wow. Is that a helmet? Can you look through the hole?
But what was in that box?
Stickers.
What's this? Oh, it's for riding.
Those are tissues.
Okay.
Bounce riding.
What?
Well,
Yeah.
I got from Santa. I didn't know he had one of these.
why don't you try sitting in it?
Yeah, take it, sit in it.
Watch, don't sit in it near the glass table, please.
Come sit over here.
Let's try it out.
I'm sitting in it.
And wrap your legs around that.
Got music in here?
No, turn around, turn around.
Oh.
Turn around.